Hi, myself Amar. So I got to know about this Tulip Board team through Facebook. So first I saw like one property is like 2-3 photos and I called them. So basically from Facebook you can't get genuine kind of brokers from Facebook. This is the first time I'm meeting such a nice person from Facebook, and I got get in touch with these guys. So they asked me to come here and they showed this property. This is the first property they showed me and I took this property. Basically I came here to take 1 BHK, but after showing and the reasonable price, I took the 2 BHK and they got me this beautiful gifts for me and my wife. And I'm extremely happy with this experience, and altogether like you can trust these guys, and they are dealing mainly like exclusively the new houses. So that's the main thing, like that's the like most exclusive thing I felt like good about, like they're dealing the new houses. So you don't have to worry about the other things, the electrical part, the entire interior part, everything will be new and brand new. It will feel like you are moving into a new house, your own house. So I recommend these guys for you all out there, and please contact them to that board.